Hi friends, welcome to my channel DK. We have three very good opportunities. They are PragmaEdge, DEFTeam and HashedIn Technologies by Deloitte. These three companies are hiring for various roles, guys. And PragmaEdge hiring for cloud engineer and trainee EDI developer, and DEFTeam hiring for trained freshers in Java or Python, and HashedIn Technologies by Deloitte. These companies hiring for three roles. One is DevOps, SDET, that is a software development engineering test and quality assurance. So these are the roles, guys. So if you are interested in these roles, and if you are from 2022, 2023 and 2024, it's a biggest and off campus hiring for freshers. Don't miss this opportunity if you are interested. Let's see the more details about these three opportunities, guys. So guys, here you can see HashedIn Technologies 2024 off-campus registration for DevOps or software development engineering test or QA. So they mentioned application link also. Here you can see, dear students, they are excited to extend an invitation for the upcoming off-campus hiring event or at HashedIn. This is a fantastic opportunity to learn more about their organization and explore potential career opportunities. An interview location is Bengalore, and interview type is in person. Eligibility criteria: BA or BTech, ME, MTech, M.Sc, MCA, CSC and IT only, with no active backlogs, with 60% or 6 CGPA, overall effective communication and interpersonal skills. Passion for technology. And selection process: first your profile screening, after that online test, and after clearing the test you will be having technical interview and the final HR interview. So please note, processing of the candidate will take minimum for 10 to 15 days. So this is the opportunity for freshers. So if you are from BTech or BE, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA, this is very good opportunity, guys. Don't miss this. If you are from 2024 batch, this is very good opportunity. And also they have provided application link. If we click on this link, it will be navigated to the official form. Here you can see you have to fill your the preferred role, QAR, DevOps or SDET, and prefix, full name, gender, date of birth, personal email ID, campus email ID, and primary contact number, alternate contact number, permanent address, state, city, pin code, nationality, and everything you have to fill the details whatever they will provide. So thank you. Let's see the another opportunity, that is PragmaEdge. And the second company, guys, so that is DEFTeam. Location is Hyderabad. They are hiring for trained freshers in Java or Python. Trained or skilled freshers in Java and Python. And industry, IT, product and services. Location Hyderabad. Qualifications, BTech or any PG. Mode of work from office, and work days Monday to Friday. If you are interested, you can send your resume via mail. They send a prime@defteam.com, and should be trained on any one of the programming language. They mentioned Java or Python, and pretty knowledge of SQL database, preferably very good logical thinking. So these are the requirements. If you have these requirements, and if you are interested, you can apply, and they will send further updates. Third opportunity, guys, that is PragmaEdge conducting walk interview for freshers on 31st of May 2024. Starts at 9 a.m. Qualifications: BTech, ECA, ACE or IT or CSE. Only 2023 and 2024 graduates are eligible. And open positions are trainee EDI developer and cloud engineer. Walk-in location: Pragma Towers, plot number 7, Capital PK Road, VIP Hills, Silicon Valley, Madhapur, Hyderabad, Telangana. So this is the location. If you are interested, you can walk in directly on 31st May. And trainee ED, open position, that is trainee EDI developer. You should be proficiency in any one of the programming languages, Python, Java, etc. Cloud engineer, basic skill set, knowledge of Git, any cloud platform. Best to have familiarity with Docker, Kubernetes or OCP. So these are the requirements. If you have these requirements, and if you are from 2023 and 2024, you can walk in directly. Thank you.